Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir Mtech JU. My name is Rahul Paul and I am a faculty in the field of mathematics. In this video, we are going to talk about question number 7 and question number 8 of chapter Trigonometry exercise 8.1 of class 10 CBSE curriculum. So let us start with the first question. So the first question is question number 7. It says if cos A equals to 7 upon 8, now you have to evaluate these two values. The first one is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So in order to evaluate that, we have to first of all simplify this particular expression in such a manner so that we can get the value of cot A directly on this particular expression. Now how to do that? Let us first of all solve this. So the first thing that we are going to do is, let us write the expression again. So we have 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now here we can write, we know the algebraic expression a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. We are going to apply this here. Let us suppose 1 is a here and sine of a is b here. So a plus b into a minus b. So that will be a square minus b square, which means 1 square minus sine a whole square, or we can even write it as sine square a, means the same. Similarly, here also we can write the thing as 1 square minus cos square a. Okay, we can write it as 1 square minus cos square a. Now, so what we can conclude from here? So 1 square minus sine square a, that means 1 minus sine square a. So again, there is a formula. Let me write it down. The formula is sine square a plus cos square a, or sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So from this particular formula, if we have this particular formula, then I can say sine square a equals to 1 minus cos square a and cos square a equals to 1 minus sine square a. So here it is 1 minus sine square a, so that will be equals to cos square a. And 1 minus cos square a, that will be equals to sine square a. Now let us find the value. So cos square a by sine square a, that means the whole square of cos a by sine a, which is cot square a. That is the answer to this particular expression. Okay, now we have to put the value of cot square a, which is very easy because we know the value of cot a is 7 by 8. So if the value of cot a is 7 by 8, so the value of cot square a will be 7 by 8. This is the value for cot a. Now for cot square a, we are going to square it up. That is the only thing. So the answer to this is 7 square, which is 49, and 8 square, which is 64. So 49 by 64, this is the answer of the first expression. Okay, now let us go to the second one. The second one is cot square a, which is again very easy. So this is what we have got from the first expression. The second one is also the same. So This is number 1, by the way. This is number A. So number B will be just the same as A. So B will be cot square A, which is equals to again 49 by 64. This is question number B. So that is the end of this particular question, question number 7. I hope you have clearly understood this. Now let us go to the question number 8. So here we are with question number 8. The question says, if 3 cot A by equals to 4, if 3 cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Now we have got just a kind of a similar question with respect to question number 7. However, there's a little bit of changes that has been made. Okay, so what we can do about it, we are again going to simplify the expression. But before that, let us simplify the question itself. So we have got 3 cot A. We have got 3 cot A equals to 4. So we can say cot A equals to 4 by 3. That we can do. So this is simplifying the question. Now after that, we are going to simplify the expression. Now the expression says 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus, this is the LHS of the expression. Okay, we are first of all going to simplify the LHS and find the value. Then we are going to do the same with the RHS, and then we are going to equate them and see if they match or not. So LHS is 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, so we can do two things. Since we know the value of cot A, so we can know that the value of tan A is just the reverse of that. Once we know the value of tan A, we can also know the value of tan square A. Once we know the value of tan square A, we can put the value in this particular expression and we can get the result. So this is one way of solving this particular question. So let us solve by this way only, since we have this particular thing. It's a very easy thing to do as well. And if you want to know what is the another way is to keep the cot A as cot A. And here we can divide tan square A underneath this one as well as underneath this one. So what will happen? First one will be 1 by tan square A, which is cot square A, minus tan square A by tan square A, which is 1. And just like that, the bottom one will also be cot square A plus 1. So directly we can put the thing. So anyways, both the things are just the same. You need equal amount of hard work to do this particular things. So let us first of all find out from here what is the value of tan A. So if cot A is 4 by 3, so tan A here will be 3 by 4. And if tan A is 3 by 4, then tan square A will be 3 by 4 whole square. 3 by 4 whole square, which will be 9 by 16. So this is the value of tan square A. So let us put the value here. So here we will have 1 minus tan square A, which is 9 by 16. And here we will have 1 plus again tan square A, which is 9 by 16. So here the LCM will be 16, and here it will be 16 minus 9, which is 7, and here again it will be 16, and here it will be 16 plus 9, which is 25. So the answer to this one will be 7 by 25. So that is the answer for the LHS. 7 by 25, that is the answer for the LHS. Now let us start for RHS. So what is RHS? RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. So we have to figure out what is the value of cos A and sin A, and with this we can conclude. So, or we can find out any one, that will be more than enough. So if tan A is equals to 3 by 4, so what will be the value for sin A and cos A? So let us draw the right angle triangle in order to find this out. So this is our right angle triangle. Let us name it. Let us say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So if tan A is 3 by 4, so we are targeting this. So tan A means perpendicular by base. So the perpendicular will be 3K. Okay, I have done this so many times, so I am just doing it directly. If you don't know how this is coming, please go and see the last few videos that I have made. The links are already in the description, so there is no problem at all. Just click the link, see how we have done the previous questions. You will get all the answers and all the concepts very clear. And once you get into this will be more clearer then. So this is 3K, the perpendicular, and the base is 4K. So if you put it into Pythagoras, the hypotenuse we will get as 5K. Okay, so from here I can conclude cos A. What will be cos A? Cos A will be base by hypotenuse, that is 4K by 5K. 4K by 5K. And since this is cos square A, so I am just putting a whole square. Minus, now sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is perpendicular. I'm just denoting it so that you don't get confused. This is perpendicular. This is the base. Okay, this is the base. And this is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 3K by 5K. 3K by 5K. Now since this is a square form, so automatically I will have to put a square. So what we have here, let us cancel the case. This is cancelled, this is also cancelled. Okay, so we have 4 square by 5 square, which is 16 by 25, minus 3 square by 5 square, which is 9 by 25. So the result coming is 7 by 25. Now if you compare the result of the RHS to that of the LHS, we can see that yes, both the results are matching. So we can say the LHS will be equal to the RHS, and hence our conclusion is verified. Our conclusion is verified. So in this way we can solve this particular question number 8. So I hope it is also clear to you guys. So with this we are concluding this particular video. In the further videos we are going to solve the rest of the questions, and likewise we are continuing to solve all the questions. So I hope you will be benefited, and I will see you again on the next lecture. Till then, take care and bye bye.